That is genius, just to raise it up, unobstructed.
So look guys, really quickly, some rules, phones and cameras, just please don't put it on the glass or over. Also don't lean on top or grab the top of the glass, and that's it. If you do need a hang on, ground stanchions and these metal poles in the middle, okay? Last thing, there's a photo at the very top. I'll let you guys all know when to get ready for that. Enjoy your ride to then, guys. Feel free to walk around and take some photos while you wait. Let's look for the photo. You're welcome, guys. Alright, photo time, friends. So you three, just take a step here. No, I don't mind at all. Do it again. There you go, my friend. You all go. Would you guys like a photo too? You three?
Sure.
Yeah. Alright, friends, all together. How was that ride? Good?
Yes.
Perfect. So glad you guys all enjoyed it. Hope you guys all have a wonderful one, okay? Enjoy your day, guys.
Which is one of these that is leaning? Is it that one? One of these tall ones. I think it's that one.
I don't know which one, but that's the one that would have the most control during winds because of all the holes. So